Take a breath. If you feel lost right now, confused, behind, unsure of who you are or where you're going, this is not the end of your story. This is a turning point, and I need you to listen carefully because what you're feeling is not failure, it's transition. Point one, feeling lost does not mean you're broken. Let's normalize something first. Feeling lost is human. It happens when the plan you had didn't work, the relationship ended, the career path feels wrong, the dreams changed. Or you simply woke up one day and thought, is this really my life? That moment is scary, but here's the truth. You don't feel lost because you're weak. You feel lost because you've outgrown something. And growth always feels uncomfortable before it feels empowering. Point two, you're not behind. You're comparing. Most people who feel lost aren't actually lost. They're comparing. You open social media. Someone got married. Someone bought a house. Someone launched a business. Someone figured it out. And you look at your life and think, I'm so behind. But behind who? Life is not a race. There is no universal timeline. You are not late. You are living your chapter. And sometimes the quiet chapters are the most important ones. Because that's where clarity is built. Point three, being lost is a signal, not a sentence. When you feel lost, your brain wants to panic. It says, fix everything, make a big move, do something dramatic. But being lost is not a life sentence, it's a signal. It's your inner voice saying that this version of your life doesn't fit anymore. That doesn't mean you failed, it means you're evolving. And evolution requires pause. Point four, start small. Confidence comes after action. Here's something no one tells you: confidence doesn't come before you start, confidence comes after you move. You don't wait to feel ready, you move. And readiness catches up. If you feel lost, don't ask, what is my life purpose? That question is too heavy. Instead, ask, what is one small thing I can do today? Make your bed, go for a 10-minute walk, send one email or apply for one opportunity, write one page. Tiny actions rebuild identity, and identity builds direction. Point 5. You are allowed to restart at any age. Let me tell you something important. History is full of people who felt lost and started late. Julia Child didn't even know how to cook in her 30s. She found her passion for French cooking at 36. She published her first cookbook at 49 and became a television icon in her 50s. Imagine if she had said, I'm too old to start. Now think about Colonel Harlan Sanders, the founder of KFC. He was 65 years old when he started franchising his chicken recipe. Before that, he failed in multiple businesses. He faced rejection again and again. Some stories say he was rejected over 1,000 times before someone said yes. Most people think life is ending at the age of 65. He was just beginning. And look at Vera Wang. She didn't enter the fashion industry seriously until her 40s. She designed her first wedding dress at 40. Today, her name is global. Do you see the pattern? They were not early. They were not ahead. They were simply persistent. Now, here's the part that matters. These people were not special because they never felt lost. They were powerful because they refused to believe that being lost meant being finished. You are not too old. You are not too late. You are not disqualified. You are simply in the middle. And the middle is where strength is built. Understand this: there is no expiration date on reinvention. People restart careers at 45, start businesses at 50, find purpose at 60. It's never too late to begin again. The only thing that makes it too late is deciding to stop trying. You are not stuck, you are in the middle. And the middle is where rebuilding begins. Point 6. Stop attacking yourself. When you feel lost, your inner voice gets harsh. I'm useless. I'm not good enough. I always mess things up. That voice is not truth, it's fear. And fear gets louder when clarity is low. Instead of attacking yourself, try this. Speak to yourself the way you would speak to a friend. Would you tell your friend they are a failure because they are confused? No. You would tell them, it's okay, you'll figure it out, one step at a time. Offer yourself the same respect. Self respect is built in moments like this. Point 7. Direction is created, not found. Most people wait for direction to magically appear, but direction is not discovered, it's created through trying, failing, adjusting, trying again. You don't find your way, you build it, and every small move you make adds a brick to the path. Turning point, the decision. Here's the real turning point, it's not when you figure everything out, it's when you decide, I may feel lost, but I will not quit on myself. That decision changes everything because once you decide not to quit, every small action becomes powerful and slowly, without drama, you begin to see direction. If you're 25 and confused, you have time. If you're 35 and restarting, you have time. If you're 45 and scared, you still have time. Life doesn't reward early, life rewards consistent. Your only job is not to quit on yourself. The better way is not rushing your timeline. The better way is taking ownership of today. One action, one decision, one promise to yourself. That's how direction returns, and that's how ordinary people build extraordinary lives. Final message. If you feel lost right now, listen carefully. You are not behind, you are not broken, you are not too late. You are becoming, and becoming takes time. Take one small step today, then another tomorrow. Your life is not over, it's unfolding. And this chapter, the confusing one, might be the one that builds your strength, your wisdom, and your courage. Keep going. The better way is not a perfect life. The better way is choosing yourself again and again, even when you feel lost.